fix a computer that won't turn on. Step 1. Relax and isolate the problem. Recall the recent activity prior to the event. Use your common sense. Begin with the basics. Step 2. Check the connections of your computer. Make sure the AC power cable of your desktop computer is plugged properly to a power source. Step 3. Checking the power supply unit. Safety first. Please make sure all the PC connections are terminated from the electrical outlet. Step 4. Locate the PS on and COM wires. After removing the power supply unit, locate the 24 pins power supply connector and refer to the color coding in the figure. Our goal here is to connect the green slot PS on and black slot COM indicated in the yellow circle. Connect any metallic or conductive object to form a circuit connection. Then try to plug in the AC power cable connected to the PSU unit to a power source, and observe the power supply. If the built-in fan of the PSU works properly, then the power supply is not defective and is receiving power. Replacing the power supply unit. If you have already performed the steps above and still your computer won't turn on or no power at all, it's time to buy a new power supply unit. Make sure you are buying exact or higher wattage rating for your desktop computer.